In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule a meeting on Google Calendar. Whether it's an unexpected conflict or simply a change in availability, knowing how to swiftly adjust your schedule can save you a lot of stress and ensure you stay organized. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. You can easily access it by opening your preferred web browser and entering calendar.google.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a visual layout of your week. This view gives you an overview of all your commitments, allowing you to manage your time effectively. Now, locate the meeting you want to reschedule. You can either scroll through the calendar or use the search functionality if you have many events and need to pinpoint this particular meeting quickly. Once you find it, you're going to click on it just once. This action will open a small pop-up with some of the meeting details. It's a convenient snapshot showing who's invited, what time it's scheduled for, and any other essential notes attached to it. To proceed with editing, look for the edit icon, which is represented by a small pencil. Clicking this will open the full event details in a new window. Now you have access to more comprehensive settings. You can change a variety of elements from here, but today we'll focus on adjusting the time and date. Take a moment to review everyone's availability and set the new meeting time that suits you and your attendees. Simply click on the date field to change it to your preferred date and do the same for the time field as well. It's essential to ensure you choose a time that works best for all involved to avoid having to do a reschedule again soon. You're almost done, but don't forget this crucial part. Click on Save. This action confirms your changes and sends notifications to all your meeting participants about the rescheduled time. It's a simple click, but it's what seals the deal and makes the changes official. With everything saved, you might want to double check your calendar to ensure the meeting reflects the new date and time. It's a quick step, but it's reassuring to know everything is in order. And there you have it, a straightforward way to reschedule a meeting in Google Calendar, making sure that both you and your team remain on the same page. So, next time you find yourself needing to adjust a meeting, you'll have the confidence to tackle it swiftly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful for managing your calendar with ease.